A lot of you have been asking how to add your voice to a particular video, and it's very easy. All you need to do is have InShot. So download InShot from Play Store. So if you downloaded InShot, click it to open it, then click video, click new, then select the particular video you want to use, then click this check icon here to say yes, that's the one you want to use. Can you see it?
My African mom taught me resilience in the face of adversity, the beauty of our heritage, the...
Good. So let's say I want to add my voice underneath. What I'll do is that I'll click this music. Then can you see record? Very easy. I'll click it. Then to ask me to give permission, I'll just say only this time. So to start recording in 3, 2, 1. So, and I'm just teaching how to add vocals to a video. Thank you. So that's it. Check. So listen.
of community.
So my name and
her lessons
I'm
shaped
just
me into
teaching
a
how to
strong,
add
proud, and
vocals
compassionate person.
video. Thank you. So what you can do is that you can click this one and hold to drag it anywhere you want it to be. So if you want it to be directly at the end, then this is okay. If you want it to be at the beginning, all you have to do is click it, drag it to the beginning. So can you see? So to edit it, to reduce the voice under, which is this girl's voice, I'll just click this video under. So can you see? I'll click this one. Click it. Can you see the voice? The volume rather.
My African mom taught me resilience in the face of adversity.
So this one is okay. So people will be able to hear my own voice over ours.
My African mom taught me.
So my name is Ezekiel,
The beauty
and
of our heritage.
I'm
the
just
power,
teaching how to add
the importance of
vocals to
embracing my roots.
video. Thank you.
Her lessons shaped me into a strong, proud, and compassionate person.
And that's great. So you click this check button. And you can also add things like music, which is a song. So to add music, you click this. Can you see it? Click it. So you'll be able to select the type of songs you want to add. I've already explained that in the previous video. Check. You can also add text. So can you see, you can add text, and you can change the color of the text to anyone you want it to be. You can change the shadow. Can you see it? You can change the border. It's very easy. So can you see it here? See it here. Good. So this one is good. So you go back to this place so that you can continue editing. So you type what you want. This is a nice video. Can you see it? Incredible. Then you click this check icon when you're done. So now you can resize it. All you need to do is put your two fingers on it, and to expand and to reduce. To expand, you separate your two. The more space you keep between your two fingers, the bigger it is. The lesser space you have between your two fingers, the smaller it is. Can you see? And you can just drag it anywhere you want it to be. Can you see? Then this one, you can click it, hold, tap it and hold. So put your finger on it rather and hold to drag it anywhere you want it to be. So you can say, okay, you want it to be at the end. Can you see?
And shaped me into a strong, proud, and compassionate person.
No, this one is not necessary anyways. So there are other things that you can add, like filter. There are other things you can add, like background. Now let me teach you this canvas. That's how to turn your video into this TikTok-like video. Can you see? You can select this one, you can select this one, you can select this one, any one you want to select. Can you see that there are different types? But this is one we want to choose. So when you are done, you just click on this save. Very easy. Save. And the resolution, you can leave it as 1080 pixels, or you can click it and change it to 720. But 1080 is of a higher quality compared to 720. Then you click save. So I hope that is clear, and I hope I made it easy. And by the way, you can add as many vocals as you want, and you can decide to record everything at once. Thank you. So I want to teach how to generate realistic images, even of yourself. So go to Play Store, search for Retake. Can you see it? Retake, R-E-T-A-K-E, Retake. So can you see it? Retake. Install it. So after you've installed it, open it. Retake. So by the way, this is King Ezekiel. So click next, then let's start. So it's a subscription thing, so you'll be paying 919 naira per week. So click subscribe. So they will ask you for your email password. So you'll be asked to add your card details, which is actually safe. And why is because your card details, you're adding it to your Google account, not Retake. So that's why it is safe. So after you've added your card details, by the way, I had one there before, but I've stopped using it, so I had to change it. So click subscribe. It's processing. So you're asking if you want to, wanted to require authentication before they just subscribe. So yes. Okay. So they're asking, want to add this as backup payment method? You can say no thanks. But if you want to be subscribing weekly, just click add. Good. So can you see? So upload your photo. Click this upload your photo. This one here. Click it. Then go to where your photo is, maybe on your gallery, which is easier to access. Okay, see mine. Let me click this. Then click, can you see done? Done is here. Can you see it? So click done. So let's try one first. Sorry, they said 8 minimum. Okay, so I had to look for 8 photos because I don't really have a lot. So click continue. So mail, continue. So they will show you different models that you can select from rather. So I want one that is simple. Okay, I like this one. So use this model image. So give it a few minutes. Sometimes it can take like 2 minutes, 3 or less. So by the way, you can just leave it and go and start doing other things, because it can take sometimes, most probably the first time, to take probably 5 minutes or more. Okay, so it is done. Click take a look. So sometimes I got it. So I got it. So sometimes when generating these images, if you leave and you come back, it will say error something, just click retry. Also they will give you one option to retry or something like that, so it will keep on loading. Okay, so these are the images. So swipe up to save to gallery. If you don't like it, just swipe down to this side. Swipe down. So you can change mode, or model rather. So you will generate more on that specific type. So if you want to generate more, just click generate more. So to generate for you. So I hope you understand. It is actually very easy. Take care of yourselves. Remember, this is King Ezekiel.